have not done back there or way back in there. That, well, I guess on this side I have, but not from here over. But I went ahead and put the like pizza pans that needs to go up under there. I'll probably do that tomorrow when I finish. Back there is some of our new pans. Right here, all this stuff is new. All of those are all new. Here's our food saver, our food processor, my cast iron skillet that I got from my grandpa, and then our toaster, and then like glass pans and stuff. And then tomorrow I will finish the rest of it. I have all these shirts that I have to make today, so that's what we are getting ready to go do. There's quite a few there. So I'm gonna take you guys outside real quick and hold on. These are the shirts that I did earlier. I still gotta put designs on them and stuff, but I did the bleach dyeing. That one, I think I'm gonna hit it again actually. But these two, I'm okay with. Okay. So let's, oh, there's a cardinal. Bye, guy. These right here, my mom planted this rose bush years ago when I was a kid, and you guys know my mom's been gone since 2013. This rose bush was literally about to die when me and Willie got clean like 4 years ago, and we was like kind of nursing it back to health. Well, last year we like really tried, and it grew so freaking much. Like, I am 5'9". Okay. That's how tall it is. But I freaking love it. I love it so much. I'm so glad that it's like, I've not seen this many roses on it in years. So when we first come out here, this is like the overlook of the garden, okay? I got some weeds and stuff that I need to pull right over there, but it's been raining and kind of yucky on and off the past few days, so I've really been trying not to step in it, you know? Okay, so we've got all these pea plants, snap peas, regular peas. These are all strawberries, except some weeds over here. There's some strawberries back there, that patch there, and then down the side of the house. That's all strawberries. My grandpa planted those, I think, or my aunt and uncle, maybe. I cannot honestly remember, but they've been here for years. And we didn't really get any because Cruz would always eat them, but he's no longer here. So we, last year, finally got to have some strawberries. And they are so freaking good. But, these are all pea plants. And then those right there, there is these three. And then 4, 5, these ones are little babies, they're like struggling. 6, and these are bean plants. More strawberries. Like you can see the little baby strawberries. They're so cute. Just little babies. I need to pull all these weeds. Okay, then I'm gonna come back out. And then right here, here, and here are 3 tomato plants. And then you have your entrance end. This row right here is all Brussels sprouts. This row here is Brussels sprouts and broccoli, I do believe. And half of that row is cauliflower. Then we have 3 sunflower plants. And then I've got 1, 2, oh my goodness, 3, 4 more tomato plants, 5 more tomato plants. Then you come over this side, and I've got 6 corn plants. 2, 4, 6. I am so ADD, and I always do this to myself. I end up coming out here and then picking weeds. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 watermelon plants, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more watermelon plants. And there is 1 more strawberries, by the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is it? Cucumber. And then there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 sweet peppers. These freaking weeds, I swear they come up so fast. It's like daily that I have to come out here. And I'm glad that I've been posting this on like TikTok and stuff, because it's like really been keeping me accountable for the what do you want to call it, for the garden. Look at more of these little babies, little baby strawberries. Aren't they so cute? They're so little. Yeah. So I have gotten the dishes done, the floors mopped, swept, toys picked up. I am getting ready to give Sissy a bath, and then I gotta make bird toys tonight because our birds desperately need toys, and I always make them because it's so much cheaper and you can decide like how you want to design it, you know, whatever. So you just gotta like really watch what materials you use, as in like what wood you use. Don't be using plastic straws, you know, things like that. They can be harmful to your parrot. So that is what I'm getting ready to do. And then like cheese, butter, and then that little blue container right back there, that is onions cut up. This is some hamburger that I only used a little bit of last night. And then in our drawer, we have all of, these are so disgusting, Willy sardines. And then his tuna pouches, onions, garlic, pepperoni, and then the cheeses that we have. It drives me nuts not to have labels to the front. Like, I cannot stand that. This thing is, or this, I don't know what you call it, shelf. That is white pine needle. We make a tea out of that. This is hummus that I picked up from the store last week, and I still have yet to try it because I didn't have no carrots or anything, and I really am kind of scared to try it because I've never had hummus before. I don't even really know why I bought it. Spinach leaves. I use this for so many things. I put it in our eggs, different dinners. I love spinach leaves. We use it for salad. And then this is kind of like our extras shelf, like extra jalapenos, extra pickles, and then applesauce. And then right back here is our almond flour. This drawer is our vegetables and fruits. Mind you, I'm going to go to a pickup order here in just a little while, so we're really low on things. But we have apples, peppers, lemons, blueberries, avocados, and Brussels sprouts. This is the kids drawer. They can come in this drawer anytime they please. Like I said, I am getting ready to go do a pickup order, so it will be getting replenished. But we have hot dogs for Lincoln. Sissy does not eat meat like at all. I have to, like, sometimes when I make food that has meat in it, like rice or something, I have to like pick it all out. Candy, they do have, this is their rest of their Easter candy. I just leave it in here. Our kids aren't like super big candy eaters. Lincoln will come in here and get like a piece or two every once in a while and get one out for his sister, but other than that, that's about it. Sissy does love suckers. That's like her favorite thing. These chia squeeze pouches, Avea loves these things. Yeah, and they're pretty good for you. Some yogurt, and then the rest of the yogurt that we have left over from last week. And then this side is pretty much just the same. It's just all the condiments. This right here looks a little nuts just because of where I put the birds' food. And like, honestly, these right here could go into this drawer, and then I can set that down in there. Wait. What is this? Oh. Just gonna toss that out. Okay, let me set that back there like that, and then it doesn't look as bad. So now this drawer has our cheeses and the peppers also. But yeah, that is our clean fridge. And what's in our fridge? And our freezer, I don't even bother getting it out and organizing it because once a week I have to do it anyways. Just because I like meal plan and all that. But our freezer is like completely packed. Like, we have plenty of food in here. This is like all stuff that I make teas out of. Willie likes getting these like chicken strip things. There's some Tyser things. I don't eat that stuff, but Willie does. Lincoln loves pizza rolls, so every once in a while he'll ask for pizza rolls, so I always try to make sure I have them. He is really big into dinosaurs, okay? So I was ordered dinosaur chicken nuggets, okay? The organic ones. Well, they substituted it for these. So I didn't realize that until I was like, hey, you want some chicken dino nuggets? And he's like, yeah. I was like, oh, Bubba, look, it's dino eggs. So that's what he calls chicken nuggets, dino eggs. So, yeah. And he ate them. I would much rather him not eat stuff like this, but he's not really a picky eater either, so, but these are quick sometimes, and when he wants to eat like now, not like, you know, an hour or so from now, so that's like something quick to like hold him over. These I'm probably gonna pull out for tomorrow. Willie wants to try these out. They're the firecracker spicy sausage Johnsonville brats. But yeah, we got plenty of vegetables, plenty of meats, plenty of stuff to make teas with, some extra cheese, more meats, and then this is the spot where I keep all the extra like frozen bird food. But yeah, that is our fridge. Alright guys, I gotta go pick up a, I gotta put these clothes away as well. But I gotta pick up a grocery order here in about 45 minutes. I need to check my messages to make sure that I'm still meeting up with this woman at this certain time. And so in that case, I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here. Yeah. And then I'm gonna try and edit this vlog tonight. That way it's up for you guys tomorrow. But yeah, I want to thank you guys for coming along with me, keeping me company while I am cleaning and doing everyday things. Now I have an entire mess. All my cleaning mess from everything that came out of the fridge. I gotta wash that up, make more juice for the kids. These cups here are actually clean. I just need to get the tops for them. And they got knocked over, so that's beautiful. But yeah, I just gotta put them back together, but they're clean. But everything else I got to put away, clean up. That's going in the trash. This will get cleaned. But yeah, again, thank you guys so much for coming along with me. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are just now showing up and you like this video, you want to stay for more, subscribe. We would love to have you. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.